Today we are demonstrating our ambient air quality monitoring system. So this system is useful for monitoring pollution in smart cities, in factories and in industries. So as the pollution is increasing day by day, so there is a major concern need to monitor this pollution. So we can see there are multiple parameters that we are monitoring. We are monitoring like SOx, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ozone, noise, temperature, UV and others. So these are the sensors which are placed over this machine. For example, this is our sensor for monitoring temperature, humidity, pressure, UV index and ambient light. Similarly, this sensor is monitoring the PM, particulate matters. And we have here our noise sensor, ozone sensor and carbon monoxide sensor. And rest parameters are placed inside the machine. So let's have a overlook of this machine. This is our HMI display, which is displaying the current values of the parameters. It's a rotating display, which is displaying 4 parameters at a time. And these are the peripherals which are attached to this device. This is the RTU system, which is transmitting data of this device to a web-based dashboard. And the web-based dashboard is displayed over here. We can see different cards. So data is displayed on this web-based server. This is a web-based dashboard which gets refreshed every 2 minutes. So the real-time data and can be displayed over the screen wherever you want to see. These real-time data provides valuable insights into the levels of air pollution, enabling authorities to make informed decisions and implement effective control measures.